To install phone link, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see phone link, click on install, click on open Microsoft Store. If not installed, you will see install option. You can hit install over here and then you can try to install phone link. If you face any trouble installing phone link from store, in that case you can copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will also install phone link on your computer. And you have to type in Y for yes and then hit the enter key and it will start installing phone link. And you can also do the same thing from the Microsoft Store. You can use this link. It will take you to Microsoft website. You can install using this link or you can run this command in command prompt. So over here you can see successfully installed, and I was also able to install it from Microsoft Store. So that should help you to install phone link successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.